In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix we have restricted some of your money warning on Revolut mobile bank app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so according to this warning, you are told we are carrying out a security check. You can't spend or transfer restricted money at the moment, and also your funds are safe. So first, to fix this, you want to carry out some troubleshooting on your smartphone to try and fix this. First, check it and see if you are using any VPN. This might have sent false alert to Revolut that someone from a different country is trying to hack into your account and withdraw money. Also check if you have any recently installed security app on your smartphone, and install it and restart your smartphone and then open your app to see if this fixes your problem. However, if the problem still stays, then you need to troubleshoot your Revolut mobile bank app. To do so, go to your smartphone and look for settings. And from settings, look for apps. So go to manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for Revolut, and here go down to for stop app and okay, and again go to clear cache, and then go to clear data and choose clear cache and okay, and finally clear all data. Now restart your smartphone and go to your Revolut mobile bank app. Log in to see if you can now access your funds. However, if you still can't access your funds, then at this point check it and see if we have any latest version of Revolut mobile app from Google Play Store. Update it to the latest version and see if your problem is fixed. However, if you still encounter the same challenge, then you want to contact Revolut app to see or find out why your money is on hold. So if we don't have any security issue, your money should be released within some few minutes or hours, and you should be able to transfer your funds using your Revolut app. So let me know which of this was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.